Chapter 3. Funzo la tatu. Tatu here means 3. Introduction to possessives. There are various variations of possessives based on the subject, whether it's a human being, a thing that's being referred to, an object, a place, or position. If you're referring to a human, then you place the letter W before the possessive. For example, ANGU, so with W it becomes wangu. That means mine. ANGU is mine. Wangu means mine, like my child, my baby, my teacher. You use wangu. Position or place, you use the letter P. So for example, with ANGU, which means mine, so my place or my position, it will be pangu. And then for object or things, you can use Y, CH, L, Z, and V. I will see more of that later. Generally, Y, CH, and L is for singular. And then Z and V is for plural. Langu, vyangu, changu, they are all possessive. So angu means mine. Ako means yours. It could be lako, wako, vyako, chako, pako. Ake. Ake means his or hers. So Swahili is gender neutral. So if something belongs to him or her, you say ake, and you use the word wake if it's a person. And then there's lake, vyake if it's plural, chake, and pake if it's a place. Remember, P is for place. Etu means ours. So wetu, like our children, you'll use wetu. Letu, vyetu. Etu will be like related to place. Enu, that means yours. This yours is different from this yours. This is yours, like you, one person. And this is yours, plural, like if there are 3 of you. So yours. Enu will be lenu. Wenu, if it's a person. Vienu, chenu, enu. Ao means theirs. So that's kind of similar to ake, but ake is for one person. Theirs are for many people, 3 of them. So if something is theirs, if it's their child, you say wow. Remember, W is for people. How is for position or place. Lao, chao, vyao. Again, quick review. Angu means mine. Ako means yours. Ake means his or hers. Etu means ours. Enu means yours. Ao means theirs. Part 2. Here we're going to be seeing some examples. So look at these examples. That's plural. In Swahili say mifano. So the mi there is for plural. Mifano. And then example, that's just one example, will be mfano. Mfano with an M. So in Swahili we say me. That means if something or an object starts with letter M in singular, then its plural will start with mi. So for example, mkate, that means bread. So that's bread. Its plural will be mikate with an E, not I. It will be mikate. So that's bread plural. So let's continue. Mwalimu. Mwalimu means teacher. So if you say mwalimu wake, ake, remember, means his or hers. So we use W because it's a person. The teacher is a person. So his or her teacher, we say mwalimu wake. Mtoto. Mtoto means baby. Mtoto wake means his or her baby. Watoto. So see here. Wa. When you're talking about people, the plural is always wa. So mtoto is one child or one baby. Watoto will be many. So not child, but children or babies. So watoto wake means his or her children or his or her babies. Kitabu. Kitabu means book. So kitabu chake. So because this is an object, the book is an object, you use this ch. Kitabu chake, and then the ake part means his or hers. So it becomes his or her book. Kitabu chake. Vitabu vyake. The ch in singular has turned to vy, and then the ki has turned to vi. So ki is one book, vi is many. Kitabu is one book, that's book. Vitabu means books. Vyake, his or her books. Next, mahali, that means a place or position. Mahali. Ake is his or hers. And then because it's a place or position, we use P. So mahali pake becomes his or her place. Shamba. Shamba means farm or land. Shamba. And then because that's an object, we use L. So shamba lake becomes his or her farm, his or her land. Kitabu chako. Ako here means yours. Yours. So kitabu chako means your book. And this is just singular. You are one person. Just like me talking to you. Your book. Vitabu, that's a you. Vitabu vyako, that means you are still singular person. Books. Now vitabu vyako. See, the plural here, vi goes with vy. Ki goes with ch. Mtoto wako, that's your child. A child is a person or a baby. Your baby or your child. Mtoto wako. Watoto wako, that means your children. Again, your singular. Watoto wako, your children. So not child, but your children or your babies. Mahali pako, so your place. Shamba lako, that means your farm. See, compare that to this. Shamba lake means his. Remember, ake is his or hers. Now, ako means yours, so your farm. Kitabu chenu, that's your book. Vitabu vyenu means your books. So now yours like 2 or 3 of you, your books. Mtoto wenu, that's your child. Again, now plural. Watoto wenu, your children or babies. We use the same word for babies and child. Mahali penu, that's your place. Enu, this keyword enu means yours, more than one person. So mahali penu, your place. Shamba lenu, your farm. Mtoto wangu, my baby. Mtoto wetu, our baby. Mtoto wako, your baby. Mtoto wao, ao means theirs. So mtoto wao is their baby or their child. Pahali pake, that means his or her place. And that's the end. Thank you.